So let us talk about the Braun All-in-One 5 trimmer. 100 minutes of use time on a single charge. That's what it claims on the box. I haven't put that to the test yet, but I can tell you that I've not had any issues when cutting my hair, cut my son hair, and the battery does what it's supposed to do. And that's that. So it does come with several attachments, all included in the box. We have an adjustment knob right there on the front of the trimmers. It has 40 length settings. That's 40 different length settings with increments of a 0.5 millimeter. So each one of those increments, each one of those 40 increments is a 0.5 millimeter, 0.5 millimeters. As you can see, it fits nicely in the hand. It is a very good size. It is a very comfortable size. It is very intuitive to use. That is the charging port right there. Unfortunately, it is not using something like a USB-C or USB charger to charge this device, but it does come with the charger, which is proprietary. That's just something you need to keep in mind. Now, these are the assorted attachments that come with the trimmer set, the 8-in-1 trimmer set, the All-in-One 5. You can keep your trimmer and your attachments stored in that pouch right there. That is the charger. It is a proprietary charger, as I mentioned, so you can't just lose that charger. Make sure you hold on to that charger, because if you lose it, you will not be able to charge your trimmer. That attachment right there you can use to line the front of your head up, the back of your neck, get some nice sharp lines, fine detail work. That's what that attachment right there is for. And I must say that attachment does work very well. I've trimmed my hair. I have given my son a full haircut, and the trimmer didn't miss a beat. It worked fantastically. It has plenty of power. It's nice and sharp. It does detail work very well. So I hope this review helped you make a decision about purchasing the Braun All-in-One 5 trimmer kit. Thanks for watching.